This is a day in the life of a Japanese carpenter. This is Eri, 27 years old, living in Osaka, and she's just waking up for work. She's been living alone in this 2-story 5 LDK house for the last year. It's extremely rare in Japan to live in such a large house at her age, especially alone, but it's for good reason. It doubles as her office and a storage facility for her business. Soon though, she'll be renovating the entire space to use only as an office. So she's just about to move out. Eri is an experienced Daiku, carpenter in English, working tirelessly every day with a strong passion to build a future for herself here in Osaka. But being a carpenter wasn't always her dream. We'll get into that in just a sec, but for now, let's see what she eats to start her typical morning. I guess she's eating yogurt with nuts, banana, and topped with honey. That's healthy. Do you always eat brown bananas?
買いたては白いけど、今日は一番売れてるタイミングやったから茶色いバナナ乗ってた。
So Eri originally wanted to become a nutritionist, so she enrolled in a specialized high school. But her dreams would come crashing down when her teacher told her that she could never become a nutritionist due to her atopy. Devastated, she dropped out, which led to a severe depression where she couldn't leave her house for months. Finally, one day, her father, who works in construction, made her come to the construction site, which ultimately changed the course of her life. Oh, it looks like she started work already. What are you doing now?
見積もりのチェックとネイルのチェックをします。
She recently started her own carpentry company called Hakotsukuru, which mainly renovates stores and houses. It's her sole responsibility to take care of the administrative tasks like project planning, resourcing, and preparing codes for clients. So what's most important when running a carpentry business?
一番はその人が何を求めてるかかなと思ってて、金額なのかクオリティなのか早くしてほしいとかっていうのを汲み取った上で最大のパフォーマンスをすることを心がけてます。
In Japan, only 3.9% of the population are business owners, and Eri is one of them. So when she's not working at the construction site, she has to be able to quickly refocus her energy on the business side of things, such as HR, marketing, and so on, in order to keep her company running. Good morning, y'all. We are back with another day in the life. This morning has been a little bit crazy. It's been raining, it's been sunny, it's raining, now it's sunny again. So I'm super excited about this one though. We are gonna go meet Eri right now and I'm gonna take you to her place. Good morning!
おはようございます。
Did you sleep well last
ぐっ
night?
すり眠れました。今日は、大阪市内で店舗の工事があるので早く寝ました。
Today, Eddie's going to the construction site with their team, which is slowly growing. All of them employees, plus one contractor. The team usually ride together from the office, so until they arrive, she loads the van tools and supplies as much as possible to not waste time. In Japan these days, the number of carpenters have significantly decreased by half compared to 20 years ago. And currently, 40% of all carpenters are over the age of 60. It's become a serious concern in Japan, but Eri, unlike the younger generation avoiding the industry, wants to help spread her joy of carpentry to those around her. Do clients ever buy their own materials?
材料は自分で調達した方が値段が安いので、なるべくコストを削減するために自分たちで購入して現場に持って行ってます。
Ah, that makes sense. Oh, here comes the workers.
汗
That's the designer and her intern. Now that all the workers are here, they have a quick meeting and then get the day started. The construction site she's working today is about 20 minutes away from the office, but on the way, she needs to stop by the Zaimokuya, aka lumberyard. I guess they arrived a little bit early. Are you buying something?
来週から入る現場の材料を見に来てて、今からちょっといくつか商品買おうかなって思ってます。
Hey, what are you wearing?
空調服です。
It's extremely popular for construction workers to wear in Japan since many sites don't have AC. It blows air into the jacket powered by an all-day battery. Does it really work?
涼しいです。汗はかきますけど、体の熱は逃げます。
Okay, the lumberyard dealer is here. So in Japan, professional carpenters often prefer to purchase materials at a lumberyard compared to home centers. She says that the quality is completely different. For example, milled lumber at home centers are sometimes warped, while the lumber dealers can usually offer a higher end and more consistent lumber. Apparently though, Japan has been facing a drastic increase in price for imported lumber the last couple years as its overall supply decreases, while certain types of lumber are no longer available. At this point, both lumberyard dealers and construction companies are feeling the crunch.
ありがとうございました。
Did you find what you wanted?
いやー、見つかりました。やっぱり材料がないから高いな。
How bad is it?
2年前は90センチの180センチの板が1000円ぐらいで売ってたのに、今は2500円。
Finally, she's arrived at the construction site. So, what exactly do you need to do today?
今日はここの床、腰掛けれるベンチを取っ払って床をここまで広げる工事です。
She's also been hired to renovate the kitchen area, but she'll be doing that on a different day. So, how much does it cost to renovate all this?
ここの床を工事するのとこっちのキッチンをやるのでだいたい300万ぐらい。
How about only the floor?
20から40ぐらい。
Cool. The team breaks up into two groups, one to unload the van and the other to prepare the site. In Japan, it's critical that the areas surrounding the construction are returned undamaged, so the team will take extra care to install yojo, protective coverings like foam boards and plastic sheets so the walls and floors don't get scratched and debris doesn't travel outside of the construction area.
皆さん、ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
Now that the site prep is complete, Eddie has a short meeting with her team to review the tasks for the day,
足元良いか。足元よし。
as well as to perform a quick safety check.
安全に。
Soon followed by Rajo Taiso, a routine Japanese warm-up calisthenic executed to music in unison. All of this performed to focus the team, as it's critical for Eddie to deliver projects to her clients on time while keeping her team working as efficiently and safely as possible. Now, it's time to get to work. And the first task is to dismantle the existing installation.
あ、じゃあ釘、うわ、わかった。下からビス揉んでるわ。
Is everything okay?
もともとこのついてるベンチがどんな取り付けの仕方かが分からへんから解体しながら手探りでどんな構造でついてるかっていうのを見つけないといけなくて
I guess she needs to estimate this work in her planning as well.
あれやで全部めくらんでいいんやでみんなさん
So Eddie's team is mainly made up of female carpenters, which is extremely rare, as women make up only 4.2% of all carpenters in Japan. Being such a minority, Eddie experienced firsthand many of the challenges working in a male-dominated industry. So when she formed her company, she knew that she wanted to create a safe and comfortable working environment for everyone, including women. Didn't need a jacket today, huh? There you go, just like in sync, all broken up.
おいし
Yay, lunchtime!
疲れたよちょっと
The team decided to go to a nearby restaurant to grab a quick lunch. In Japan, it's common for workers, including construction workers, to eat food from the konbini as it's quick, easy, and affordable. But Eddie prefers to eat at restaurants with a team as she feels it's a bit more well-balanced, and it also helps develop a stronger bond with the group as they're able to share parts of their personal life with each other. I guess she's having the Yurinchi fried chicken set lunch. It looks good. Oh, Eddie's paying for everyone.
お前ら2人前働かなあかんなってせやな
You always pay?
やっぱこうやってみんなで行くときはだいたい私が払ってるから
Now that the team is refueled, it's time for them to complete today's job.
60
Here, they're marking the level for the new floor. So it looks like these three are going to be working here for just a little bit longer. So while they're doing that, let's go over there and see what everyone else is doing. Oh, the designer's working on something. What's this?
これがカウンターの中にある棚の図面です。現地でちゃんと合うかどうかの確認をして最終の発注をします。
Awesome. Excuse me, what are you doing?
今ですか？インパクトドライバー準備してました。
So how long have you been doing carpentry?
大工じゃないんですよ。
Oh, then what are you?
私は電気工事士をしてて18年やってます。
I see. So what have you learned the most over the years?
やっぱり人と人のつながりがすごいあるなっていうので、暑いから言い合いとかなることもあるんですけど、それがまた笑い話になって次の現場であん時ああやったなみたいな、そういうのがすごい楽しいです。
Got it. Anything difficult about the job?
まだまだやっぱ女性が少なくて、初めて会う人とかからはいやあなたできないでしょみたいな感じで扱われてしまう、すごい悔しい思いはしてます。
Can I ask you some questions?
はい、どうぞ。
How long have you been working as a carpenter?
大工はまだ半年ですね。
Oh, and what did you do before?
この前は多能工って言って大工以外の設備とかクロスとかトイレとかつけたりとかも
How do you like it
今
now?
めっちゃ楽しいですよ。あ
Thanks.
りがとうございます。
Oh, nice. They're using a sumitsubo, Japanese ink liner, to create a straight line. Japanese carpenters have been using this tool for more than 1400 years, but as new technologies such as line laser levels are becoming more popular, it's becoming less used. What's going on now?
床のその言ってたレベルまっすぐを出そうとしたけど古い床が湾曲してしまってて水平の床を作ってしまうと段差になるから元々の悪い床のまんまで合わせようかっていう話をしてました。
I'm sure this happens a lot. So Eddie has been working as a carpenter now for 7 years, which has helped her develop and build confidence in her carpentry skills. But it wasn't always like this. The beginning of her career was exceptionally challenging. She says that she was ridiculed by her male coworkers, and even customers would request to talk to male workers instead of her when they had questions about the project. She was deeply frustrated and believed that it was all because she was a woman. But over time, she came to realize that it was more to do with her lack of skill and experience, not knowing how to properly use tools or perform installations, and clients didn't want to speak to her simply because she was uncertain of her answers. To say the least, it wasn't easy for her, but she persevered and now has her own company with dedicated employees to show for it. Time for a short break. Oh, they're doing Otoko-gi Janken. Rock, paper, scissors to decide who pays for everyone. Aw, snap, the intern lost. Too bad for him. Finally, they're putting down the subfloor. Hey, so where do you see yourself in the future?
5年後には地域活性プロジェクトみたいなのをやりたくて田舎の山にアクティビティスペースを作って地域の人に貢献するっていうのをやりたい。
She says that she's also dedicated to training and mentoring her workers with all the skills and carpentry techniques she's learned over the years. She understands how difficult it can be starting off, especially as a woman, so she joined an organization in Japan that aims to empower female artisans in the construction field called WBCS, short for We Will Break Through the Construction Site. She, along with a group, aim to create a new and welcoming environment for all women to join their industry. Oh, dope! The subfloor has been installed. So you're done?
これで今日は終わりです。
I guess they're coming back tomorrow to complete the rest of the floor. So for now, everyone helps to clean up the site to finish for the day.
しゃあ無事終わった
On the way back to the office, Eddie needs to stop by the hardware shop to get her laser level recalibrated. Apparently, the shop is popular among professional construction workers and is also one of her favorites as well. Damn, you can see all their eyes light up while walking through the store. So it looks like they're still looking for some stuff. While they're doing that, you know, let's tool around and see what we can find. Wow, this is amazing. They've got so many cool tools. Let me know if you see anything you wish you had in your country. And look at this, they have all these cool shoes here that's made for construction. Although they look like regular sneakers with many designs and colors, they're all hard-toed. To be honest, I haven't been to one of these home stores in quite a while. And what I'm surprised with is that there's just so much variation, colors, and designs. What's that?
これ丸のこの刃で黒シャチ
What are you
コン
buying?
ベックスと取り付けるツールフック、こういう形で
Don't you already have a measure?
めっちゃまだあるんですけど便利だなと思って買おうかな
It seems like everyone is buying something here.
ございます
Eddie, what's wrong?
取り扱いしてないって言われて
Oh, I'm sorry.
修理できなかった悲しい
So for Eddie, the day isn't done yet. Oh, but one worker is leaving early though. Now, back in the office, Eddie needs to meet with a team to discuss and plan for upcoming projects. Although Eddie can only physically work on one project at a time, she must continually secure and prepare for future projects to ensure that her team has a constant flow of work in their schedule. Dinner time! Today, Eddie is eating dinner with a team, and it looks like they're having somen noodles with eggplant and a pork dipping sauce. It looks amazing! The somen noodles itself are known as a Japanese summer staple food as it can be eaten cold. So what's your hobby?
映画鑑賞ですね。はい。飲みに行ってるじゃん。酒とタバコです。
That's more like it. And what about you?
温泉と音楽聴くのが好きです。ジャズが好き
Do you dance to it?
いや、踊らないです。
So what's your hobby?
道の駅のスタンプを集めてます
Oh, how many do you have so far?
多分今35個ぐらい集まったと思います年始から始めて
Awesome. You have a hobby?
絵を描きます。
Cool. What do you
あ
draw?
とみんなの日常とか描いてます。
Oh, you do that? It's cute. Alright, it looks like Eddie-san and her friends are going to be having dinner until probably 7:30. Everyone will go home after that. And then she'll probably go to the gym for 2 hours, come back home, and go to sleep at 12. But that's pretty much a day in the life of a Japanese carpenter. If you guys like this video, like always, help me out and hit that like button. And if you guys want to help support the channel, then check out the Tokyo merch. And finally, if you guys want to see more videos like this or anything related to Japan, hit that subscribe button and the bell button. I'll catch you guys in the next one.